Imagine making $1,000 from Telegram every week. Sounds unbelievable, right? But I'll tell you it is 100% possible because I have done it myself. I'm going to break down the exact strategies that I started from beginner to the top, and I'll show you how you can also do that and earn money for yourself. But make sure you stick and stay around to the end of this video because I'll be sharing my biggest mistake I also did in my journey on Telegram. So let's jump right into the video. So as you can see on the screen, this is the estimated amount of money I've made this year 2025. That is from 1st January to January 8th. It's almost about $1,000 and something dollars. You get me? And all this money was accumulated as a result of Telegram. And this is the main reason why I'm here on this video, because I'm going to show you the exact way you can also do this. So let me tell you a bit about how I started. First of all, I started with a Telegram channel and started engaging people, building active community, and also making sure that what I give to people out there begins to give them value and a whole lot. So as a result of this, I began to get exposure on Telegram, and a whole lot of people started subscribing to my Telegram channel, and I had a lot of subscribers from Telegram. So if you're a creator and you're also watching me and you have a lot of subscribers on Telegram, then this video is way far going to help you. In the beginning, growth was very slow, but consistency is always the key. So if you remain consistent and you're able to build an active community on Telegram, then you are really going to make a lot from Telegram. So the most important thing or the key word in this video is make sure you have consistency and you build active Telegram community. Below are the ways that you can use to make money from Telegram channel, and this one is going to help you make at least $1,000 from Telegram channel if you have consistently been able to achieve a great number of audience and an active channel from Telegram. Then you are good to go. So the first monetization method for this video is sponsored post. While my channel and community was very active, a lot of advertisers came to my DMs. They would text me for promotions, paid promos, and a whole lot. Because you have active and engaging community, people would like to advertise with you. And Telegram's advertisement, unlike other platforms, really pays, because a sponsor program, like a sponsored ads that you post in your Telegram for 24 hours can even cost $50. So imagine a day you're able to earn $100 from only sponsorship ads. Then it means in 7 days you can make $700, which is far better than a lot of jobs we all know in our communities. And Telegram monetization. You see, now Telegram also has a system whereby owners of public channel are being paid revenue for the ads that Telegram display in their channel. So anytime Telegram display adverts in your Telegram channel, Telegram is also going to pay you in a cryptocurrency that is TON, Telegram Open Network, which 1 TON is equivalent to almost $5. So if you have an active community, then even only Telegram monetization, you can be earning estimated amounts of $5 to even $50, depending on how active your channel is every day. So at the end of every month, imagine the amount of money you'll be able to withdraw from your Telegram channel. Aside the Telegram monetization, you can also create Telegram channels and sell it to other users. So after creating a Telegram channel, having an active and engaging community with about 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 audience, you can now transfer the ownership to someone. So this means someone is going to buy the channel, and selling and buying channels on Telegram is really, really expensive. Unlike other platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you can buy a Telegram channel of even 5K subscribers for about $200, which is far expensive as to all the platforms that you can compare. So that's another way you can also make money from Telegram. Aside selling of channels to, Telegram has also introduced another feature, that is stars, Telegram stars. So you, the creator, if your audience really enjoy your program, audience have the ability to send you stars, which at the end of the month or at the end of some period will accumulate and give you cash. So imagine your audience are also gifting you a lot of stars, then it means you are going to make a lot of money from Telegram. This is also beneficial in making almost $1,000 every week from Telegram. And another cool feature about the stars is that items that you want your users to purchase, you can also put price on the item so that users can purchase it within the Telegram's ecosystem. For example, I have wallpapers and I want to sell it to my channel members. I can state a price for my wallpapers as 20 stars. This means that users in your Telegram channel must pay that stars in order to get access to that particular content. So making paid content, that's another way you can benefit from Telegram stars, which is way better to give you money on Telegram. And the last thing I would be talking about also is the new Telegram affiliate marketing process that is ongoing. So Telegram has introduced an affiliate marketing strategy whereby your channel can be affiliated to another channel or a bot or a mini app. So in case someone is to spend a purchase in that app, depending on the agreements you and the bot or you and the mini app has, there's a percentage of revenue you are going to earn from it. So for example, if this channel is taking about 79% of revenue will be given to you, the creator, then anytime someone makes a purchase through your link, it means you are going to receive 75 or 79% of the purchase, depending on the affiliate marketing process and the procedures and also the percentage that it is on it.